Hello, here we have a blaster box from Walmart, about $20 of Topps Series 1. So these have some exclusive Kris Bryant cards in them. And get plastic off. 10 packs plus a bonus medallion card. We'll do the medallion card last, see what we get. Woohoo! Get some coupons, but by now they're already expired. Bonus pack. We'll open this last. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 packs. Pack number 1. Jake Marisnick, Sinshu Chu, Mike Moustakas, Jose Urena, rookie card. Okay, so the hit from this, one of the hits from this is the foil card, Michael Lorenzen. We also get a Legends of the Making card. So it looks like there's probably going to be about, looking at the, probably about 2 inserts or hit cards per pack. Let's see, Lance McCullers, John Lackey, Mikhail Franco. Oh, and didn't show this Garrett Cooper rookie card in there. Well, a couple rookie cards. Rainbow foil. I think the rainbow foil is 1 in 10, so you should expect one in the box. According to this, I would expect at least. So pack number 2. Jose Iglesias, Evan Longoria, Austin Hayes. Okay, so our hit right here, looks like we got 2 again. We've got a Salute, Charlie Blackmon, and a Kris Bryant. I think these are exclusive to Walmart packs. Oh. And a retail exclusive. There's some opening day. Okay, and then back to our base cards. We've got a Segura, Jose Bautista with the Jays. Not one of the 3 teams he played for this year. Carlos Rodon and Starling Marte. Pack number 3. Aaron Sanchez, Avisail Garcia, Corey Kluber. Okay, we get a 1983 Nolan Arenado. Okay, looks like I got 2 opening day. Looks like this is a black. This is the regular one, and you see how it's black, so black parallel. Let's see. Opening day insert 1 and 2 for these. The black is 1 in 24, so that's probably going to be the big hit for this box. Cam Gallagher, rookie card. Kevin Pillar, Matt Barnes, and CC Sabathia. So it looks like I'm getting about 2 inserts, parallels per pack, plus an extra one when it's the Topps opening day. Von Nova, Javier Baez, John Jaso, Seattle Slayers. Okay, so a Seattle team card, and we're into the hit packs. Superstar Sensations of Paul Goldschmidt. Okay, I got a gold card. Salvador Perez, numbered out of 2018. And a Kris Bryant card. Okay, back to the base. Brad Hand, Kevin Gausman, I'm not sure, and Zach Wheeler. Pack number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, pack number 5. Got Eduardo Rodriguez, Todd Frazier, Marcell Ozuna. Okay, the hits, we've got a Joey Votto top salute. Another Kris Bryant card. And a Topps opening day card. That one was Evan Longoria. And then Jose Altuve, New York Yankees team card, Induranciante, and Matt Harvey. Got a few rookies, a couple parallels, some halfway decent insert cards. Tyler Flowers, Miguel Sano, Giancarlo Stanton, Charlie Blackmon All-Star. Okay, a Legends in the Making of Yadier Molina. Miguel Sano Topps opening day. 387, just checking the backs. Okay, Jock Peterson. Luis Gojiro rookie card. Cam Bedrosian and Marcell Ozuna. Three more and the medallion card to go. Ooh, nice. Mike Trout, card number 300. That's always a good one. Yasiel Puig. Just liking the base cards in this one. Matt Kemp. Jackson Stevens, rookie card. So I mean, I got three pretty solid players in the rookie card base. Okay, and another rookie card, Greg Allen. Matt Kemp, 1983 insert. And Topps opening day. Wow, woohoo! Just a 387. 387, okay, so Tyler Mail. Carlos Correa. So my base cards in this pack are pretty good. Brandon McCarthy. Robbie Grossman. Mark Trumbo. Ahmad Rosario rookie card. I got a fielding award of Martin Maldonado. Oh, Legend of the Making blue. It's 1 in 12. Masahiro Tanaka, Ian Happ, Michael Lorenzen, Denison Lamet, and don't know how to pronounce half these. Danny Salazar. Two left. It's not the best break in the world, but I'm happy with some of the base cards and a few inserts. Trying to finish up some of these collections here. Dylan Betances. Kyle Schwarber, Cody Bellinger, Max Fried, rookie card. Braves fan, I like that. Okay, we got Miguel Sano, top salute, and another Kris Bryant card, and another Topps opening day. And Detroit Tigers, Detroit, Edwin Diaz, and Antonio Sensatella. Okay. One more pack, and then we see what we got. And which medallion card we get. Nick Pivetta. Is it a rookie? Oh, okay. Amir Garrett. Aaron Slegers. It's a rookie card. So I got a few good rookies in here. Harrison Bader. Rookie card. Okay. Regular Will Myers, Legends of the Making, and another Kris Bryant card. Let me just check 387. Okay, I was kind of hoping maybe to get a short print in here, but that's alright. Joe Mauer, Clayton Kershaw, Stephen Piscotty, and Marwin Gonzalez. Not too bad. Oh, wait, huh. Kris Bryant was the one as a blue back, which is, let's see what the odds of, blue is 1 in 12. So that was 1 in 12. Got blue 1 in 12 of those. Gold, 1 gold. Got a black opening day and foil board. So those are my top hits there. And last but not least, let's see what foil Commemorative Players Weekend commemorative patch cards. Okay. Josh Donaldson, a regular one. I do think these are very, very neat. And, you know, they hold up in their value pretty well, I think so. Alright, that's what was in my blaster pack. Thanks for watching.